The U.S. dollar is the world's leading reserve currency, so it's important, of course, to ensure the money is trustworthy and distinctive.
Have you ever wondered how the money in your pocket is made? Every dollar bill has a hidden story, packed with secrets that most people have no clue about. From the special paper made of cotton and linen, to the high-tech security features like watermarks and 3D ribbons.
Look at this blue stripe that's woven into the center of the bill.
U.S. currency is designed to be nearly impossible to counterfeit. And did you know the Federal Reserve knows where every dollar is at all times?
United States Secret Service to make recommendations to the Secretary of the Treasury for the designs of Federal Reserve note.
In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating process of how money is printed, step by step. Stick around, because by the end, you'll never look at cash the same way again. This is the art and science behind the dollar. Now first, like always, be sure to hit the like button down below. It helps us out tremendously with the reach of this video. Thank you. It all begins with paper, but not just any paper. Unlike the kind used for notebooks or packaging, U.S. currency paper is crafted from a distinctive blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen, making it both durable and uniquely textured. This raw material is processed in a specialized paper-making machine that transforms it into large, continuous sheets tailored for currency production. These sheets aren't ordinary. They are embedded with cutting-edge security features even before any ink is applied. One of the most noticeable security elements is the tiny red and blue synthetic fibers scattered randomly throughout the paper. Visible to the naked eye, these fibers serve as a simple yet effective method to verify authenticity. Another embedded feature is the watermark portrait of Benjamin Franklin. Unlike printed elements, this watermark is part of the paper itself, visible from both sides when held up to the light, adding another layer of security against counterfeiting. Another innovation is the 3D security ribbon, a striking feature woven directly into the paper during production. Positioned vertically to the right of Benjamin Franklin's portrait, this ribbon is an optical marvel. When the bill is tilted, the images of bells and the number 100 on the ribbon appear to move and change, creating a dynamic visual effect that is both mesmerizing and nearly impossible to replicate. After the sheets are formed, they undergo meticulous drying and inspection processes to ensure there are no imperfections. Every sheet must meet rigorous quality standards before advancing to the next stage of production. Security is at the heart of the entire design process. From the initial concept to the final product, artists collaborate with engraving and security experts to incorporate features that deter counterfeiting while making the bills visually distinctive. This careful balance ensures that U.S. currency remains both reliable and recognizable worldwide. Each detail, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity of the dollar. Once the design is finalized, a team of highly skilled engravers steps in to bring the concept to life. Using specialized tools, they meticulously carve the intricate details of the two-dimensional artwork into three-dimensional engravings on steel dies. This process demands precision, as even the smallest flaw can compromise the final product. These engraved steel dies become the master templates for producing the nation's currency. Every line, curve, and detail is carefully etched to ensure the highest level of artistry and security. The master die, now engraved with the finalized design, is integral to the next phase, creating hubs. Through a technique known as hubbing, the engraved master die is used to produce multiple hubs. These hubs are essentially three-dimensional duplicates of the original master die, enabling efficient replication of the design without risking damage to the master. Acting as intermediaries, the hubs bridge the gap between the original engraving and the printing plates used in mass production. From these hubs, the actual printing plates are created. Unlike the steel master die, the plates are crafted from a softer metal, such as nickel or copper. This choice ensures the plates can endure the wear and tear of high-speed printing without compromising the original artwork's integrity. Each plate undergoes rigorous finishing processes, including polishing to achieve a flawless surface and hardening to enhance durability. These steps are vital to ensure the plates can withstand the immense pressure of the printing presses while maintaining precision and quality. Once the printing plates are prepared, the focus shifts to the production phase. At the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, custom-built intaglio presses are used to print currency. These massive machines operate with incredible force, pressing the ink into the recessed engravings on the plates. The result is a distinctive texture that can be felt on the surface of the bill, a feature that not only enhances the tactile quality, but also acts as a safeguard against counterfeiting. Specialized inks are used in this process, designed to remain vibrant and durable for years. These inks are carefully formulated to resist fading, smudging, and tampering, ensuring the longevity of each bill. Intaglio printing gives the currency its iconic raised feel and intricate detailing, from the portraits of historical figures to the fine lines and patterns that make counterfeiting extremely difficult. Another layer of complexity is added with the application of serial numbers, the Federal Reserve Seal, the Treasury Seal, and the series year. High-speed numbering machines assign unique serial numbers to each bill, which serve as an essential tracking mechanism for circulation and counterfeit detection. The seals and series year are applied through a separate printing process, further enhancing the security features and authenticity of the currency. Once the printing is complete, the bills remain in large, uncut sheets. These sheets are carefully inspected for quality control, ensuring that every detail meets the rigorous standards required for U.S. currency. Any flawed sheets are immediately removed to prevent defective bills from entering circulation. After passing inspection, the sheets are sent to high-speed cutting machines, which slice them into individual bills with remarkable precision. These machines are designed to minimize waste while ensuring every cut aligns perfectly with the printed design. This intricate process, involving the efforts of engravers, engineers, and advanced machinery, transforms raw materials into the meticulously crafted currency used daily. From the first etching on a steel die to the final cut, each step underscores the artistry, precision, and innovation behind every dollar bill in circulation. Throughout the printing process, automated inspection systems meticulously scan the sheets for defects or inconsistencies to uphold the highest quality standards. These sophisticated systems utilize advanced cameras and sensors capable of identifying even the smallest deviations, such as misalignments, color variations, or other imperfections. This technology plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the printed currency by swiftly and accurately identifying flaws that could compromise its usability or authenticity. However, the process doesn't rely solely on automation. Trained personnel also perform rigorous visual inspections of the printed sheets and finished bills. Their keen eyes provide an additional layer of scrutiny, catching subtle imperfections that may escape even the most advanced automated systems. This dual approach, combining state-of-the-art technology with human expertise, ensures a level of precision that meets the strict standards required for currency production. Every step is executed with painstaking care, reflecting the importance of producing flawless currency that not only circulates as a medium of exchange, but also represents the trust and stability of the issuing authority. Once the bills pass inspection, they are organized for distribution. The sheets are cut into individual bills, which are then banded together into stacks of 100. These stacks are packaged securely for shipment to Federal Reserve banks across the country. From there, the journey of the currency continues. The Federal Reserve banks distribute the newly minted money to commercial banks, ensuring that it reaches businesses, consumers, and financial institutions nationwide. This seamless and highly controlled distribution system ensures that the economy is supplied with an adequate and reliable flow of cash. Now, let's turn our attention to the euro, another widely recognized currency, and see how its production differs. While US dollars are made using a durable cotton-linen blend, the euro employs a different material, 100% cotton fiber. This choice of material not only provides the euro with a distinct texture, but also enhances its durability and resistance to wear. The pure cotton composition gives euro banknotes a crisp feel and contributes to their longevity, a practical consideration given their circulation across multiple countries in the eurozone. Furthermore, the euro incorporates advanced security features such as holograms, watermarks, and microprinting, ensuring that it remains one of the most secure currencies in the world. The differences in materials and security measures highlight the unique approaches taken by currency issuing authorities to meet their specific needs and standards. Whether it's the cotton-linen blend of the dollar or the pure cotton of the euro, both currencies reflect the meticulous care and innovation behind the art and science of money production. This gives the euro banknote a distinctive crispness and durability, qualities that are crucial for a currency that changes hands frequently across diverse environments. Unlike ordinary paper, the banknote paper is crafted from a cotton fiber blend, making it resistant to wear and tear. During sheet formation, a critical security feature is embedded into the paper, the watermark. For the $100 note, this takes the form of the European gate motif and the numeral 100. The watermark is not printed, but is a part of the paper itself, visible when held up to the light. This subtle but effective measure ensures immediate authenticity checks for those handling the currency. Another embedded security feature is the silver security thread. Running vertically through the paper, this thread is not merely decorative, it is a sophisticated anti-counterfeiting measure. It contains the euro symbol and the numeral 100 in microprint so tiny that it requires magnification to read. Under ultraviolet light, the thread glows pink, adding yet another layer of security. These features, embedded during the very formation of the paper, make replication by counterfeiters exceedingly difficult. Once the sheets are formed, they are carefully dried under controlled conditions to maintain their structural integrity. Any imperfections, such as tears, discoloration, or irregularities in the embedded features, are meticulously inspected. Only flawless sheets, meeting the strict quality standards set by the European Central Bank, ECB, proceed to the next stage. This rigorous scrutiny ensures that only the highest quality materials are used to produce the currency. Now we step into the heart of banknote production, a process shrouded in secrecy and precision. This highly secured environment is designed not only to deter counterfeiting, but also to safeguard the integrity of the euro, a symbol of economic stability and unity across the European Union. The first phase of production begins with offset printing, which applies the base colors and foundational design elements to both sides of the banknote. For the $100 note, this includes the main image showcasing the Baroque and Rococo architectural styles, as well as intricate background patterns. These designs are both aesthetically pleasing and challenging to replicate, making them an integral part of the banknote's security. Silk screen printing is the next step, where the shimmering emerald number is applied. This number, representing the denomination of the banknote, is more than just a design element. It is a key security feature. When tilted, the number changes color, transitioning from emerald green to deep blue, providing a simple yet effective way for users to verify authenticity. A holographic foil stripe is then affixed to the right side of the banknote. This stripe is a marvel of modern technology, featuring a dynamic combination of images that shift as the note is tilted. Among these are a portrait of Europa from Greek mythology, architectural motifs, and the euro symbol. These elements not only enhance the visual appeal of the banknote, but also serve as a powerful deterrent to counterfeiters, as replicating such intricate holography requires advanced technology and expertise. Following this, the process moves to intaglio printing, a technique that creates the raised tactile elements on the banknote. Using specially engraved plates, key design features such as the portrait of Europa, the numeral 100, and additional motifs are printed. These raised elements give the banknote its distinctive texture, making it recognizable by touch, a feature particularly beneficial for visually impaired individuals. Highly specialized printing presses, distinct from those used for the main designs, are employed to add unique serial numbers to each banknote. These presses use cutting-edge inkjet technology to print the serial numbers with astonishing speed and precision. The serial numbers consist of a carefully designed combination of letters and numbers, creating billions of unique identifiers. This allows each banknote to be tracked throughout its life cycle, providing valuable data for monitoring the circulation and authenticity of the currency. The numbering machines work in sequential order, ensuring no two banknotes share the same identifier. After printing, the banknotes undergo rigorous inspections. Advanced automated systems scan each note for deviations from the exacting standards set by the ECB. These machines are capable of detecting even the slightest imperfections, from misaligned designs to inconsistencies in color or texture. In addition to automated checks, trained experts perform manual inspections, using their experience and keen eyes to identify any flaws that may have slipped through. This dual-layered quality control ensures that only the most pristine banknotes proceed to the next stage. Once the inspection is complete, the banknotes are ready for the final steps in their production journey. Large sheets containing multiple banknotes are fed into guillotine-like cutting machines equipped with laser-guided precision. These machines slice the sheets into individual notes with unparalleled accuracy, minimizing waste and ensuring clean edges. The precision of this process is critical, as any error could compromise the usability or appearance of the banknotes. After cutting, the individual notes are automatically stacked and counted by sophisticated machinery. This process ensures that each stack contains the correct number of notes, eliminating the possibility of discrepancies. These stacks are then tightly banded and wrapped in protective plastic film. The film not only keeps the banknotes neatly organized, but also protects them from moisture, dust, and damage during transportation. The wrapped bundles are placed into sturdy boxes designed to withstand the rigors of handling and shipping. Each box is carefully labeled with detailed information, including the denomination, quantity, and intended destination of the banknotes. This meticulous labeling system facilitates smooth logistics and ensures that the currency reaches its destination in perfect condition. Throughout the cutting and packaging process, security measures remain a top priority. Surveillance cameras monitor every stage of the operation, and access to the area is strictly controlled. Employees involved in this phase are subjected to thorough background checks, and all activities are logged to maintain a transparent record. These measures ensure that the banknotes remain secure and that the production process upholds the highest standards of integrity. This meticulous craftsmanship, from the careful embedding of security features in the paper to the precise cutting and packaging of finished banknotes, ensures that each $100 note entering circulation embodies a commitment to excellence and security. Serving as a symbol of trust and reliability, it reflects the careful innovation and artistry behind the euro's production, a powerful tool for economic stability across Europe and beyond. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.